Hey guys, Matthew here with Cool Stuff. As you know, if you've seen any of my previous videos, I currently wear the Fossil Gen 5 HR Carlisle as my daily smartwatch. However, the issue that I have is that for sports, it's not that great. Like things as fitness tracking and all that, it's just with the lugs or with the dial things here, it kind of just, I guess when you do push-ups and stuff like that, it pushes the button and your assistant goes off and all that. And so I was kind of looking for a smartwatch that is good for fitness tracking, but also I could, if I wanted to, take it out and just wear it as an everyday watch. And so I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 40mm watch here, and we're going to unbox that right now. Hey guys, so to start off with, this watch is the 40mm Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It is a nice watch. It does have the digital rotating bezel. It doesn't have the actual rotating bezel like the Galaxy Watch does, but it does have kind of a digital one, which is nice. It is more sports centered, so if you want to use it for running, exercising, stuff like that, but then also if you want to just use it as like an everyday watch, it's perfect for that as well. This watch does have internal storage, like I want to say about 4 GB of internal storage, so if you want to take your music with you, you got that. This does run Tizen OS, so it's not the Android Wear or Wear OS, and it's not the Apple, I guess, Watch OS. It is Samsung's own kind of OS for their wearables, but from what I hear, it's a pretty good wearable and a pretty good operating system. So let's go ahead and open this up. I have the Aqua Black version, and so let's go ahead. Put that to the side because we want to have safety. So then we'll just kind of wiggle this open, and there we go. So the first thing, we'll set this, we'll just toss that. The next thing is we have the watch here, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box. And so we have the watch. It does look very nice, in my opinion. It's smaller than my normal. It is a 40mm versus my Fossil watch is a 44mm. I do tend to go for the bigger ones, but I figured fitness focused, I'd go with the smaller one, so it's not as obtrusive. So yeah, I do have the Aqua Black. I do like it. It is sleek. It looks great. I tend to go for the darker colored watches, so this is perfect. It has kind of the buttons here that are kind of recessed into the watch, so that is perfect for fitness versus this, where if you're doing a push-up, you do that. You see how the assistant goes up. This hopefully should not do that. The only issue I hate is that this does have Bixby. I wish it didn't. I wish you could do like a Google assistant, but anyways, we'll set this to the side. Box wise, there's nothing else in the box. We'll toss that box. Now we got this little thing that the watch was wrapped around. We'll go ahead and open this up, and now we have the charging, the wireless charging puck for the watch. You just set the watch on the puck, and it goes ahead and charges. So that's pretty nice right there. And it's just held by magnets, kind of like the Apple Watch. So yeah, we'll go ahead and kind of move this to the side here. Move that there, move this here. We'll kind of take this and toss that. And then inside the lid, the top lid of the box, you have your user manual and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and put that there. There's all that. So yeah, you've got your user manual, you've got your charging puck, and you've got your watch. And go ahead and take some of this stuff off. So let's take the plastic off here. There we go. We'll go ahead and take the plastic off of here. There's that. And maybe there's a little piece. There you go. Right there. And then we'll just take this right off here. Just take that off. Toss that. And we will take this one off and toss that. And now you have a nice long cable here. Not too bad. And then you have your quick start guide here. Just a quick little get to know your watch, charging, all that stuff that comes in the box. So yeah, let me go ahead and boot this watch up and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so we have the watch booted up. So we will go kind of through the quick start setting up process just so you guys kind of know. So let's go ahead and set this up. I will be pairing this watch to my Pixel 4 XL. So we got that. So let's go ahead and press let's go. Okay, there we go. So we'll go ahead and there is a app for this watch. It's called Samsung Wear. And so let me go ahead and pull that up and see. Oh, it's called Galaxy Wearable right here. So we have Galaxy Wearable. Let's go ahead and get started. We have the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So go ahead and allow. Let's pair up. Hopefully it will find the watch and see how this goes. There we go. So now it's buzzing. Tap to connect. Tap. Pair. There we go. Install. So now you have to go into install this app or the plugin for the Watch Active 2 app. So let's go ahead and install that. Okay, so now we can go back to here. We'll go ahead and install some other services as well. If you have a Samsung phone, this should already be installed into your Samsung phone. But since I am pairing it with a Pixel 4 XL instead of a Samsung phone, you have to get these plugins as well. I could pair it up to my S10 Plus, however, I want to use this with my Pixel 4 XL because I do really enjoy the Pixel 4 XL. So now it is finishing pairing, so let's go ahead and let it finish pairing. Okay, so now that it is paired, let's go ahead and agree to this. We'll agree. We'll link the watch with the Watch Active. I'll go ahead and select all. Get more notifications. Let's go ahead and skip for right now. I'll connect that later. Keep your watch connected to your phone. Okay. Go ahead. Yes. Allow. And yes. So now we'll go ahead and just take a quick look of the watch itself. So let's swipe to the left to see your widgets. Oh, here we go. Swipe to the left. Daily activities. Swipe to the right. Okay. For notifications, swipe right. There's the notifications. Press the back button. So there are two buttons here. As you can see, there's two buttons. Boom, boom. Press the top one, it's the back button. Press this, will take you to your app gallery kind of. Let's go. Then slide down. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. So let's go ahead and. Okay, yep, that worked. Now, awesome. So the cool thing about this watch is it does have a rotating crown, or digital rotating crown. So or bezel. So you can touch the edge, and it gives you that satisfying click like the Galaxy Watch has. with the actual rotating bezel. However, this has a digital one, but it still gives you that click. So that's always cool. I really like this. So let's click that and go back home. We'll move this to the side. Now, here's the app. We will go ahead and allow for notifications. Yeah, let's go ahead, allow. Okay, cool. Now you have the app here. It's the Galaxy Watch app. You can do different things like notifications. You can manage your app. You can do widgets, sounds, all that stuff. You can also, I believe, do watch faces and on here as well. And then on top of that, you can through the app you do a software update. Let's go ahead and just see. I don't know if there is a software update, but we'll just go ahead and see. There isn't, so that's cool. So you also have your battery life up here in the corner and how much you have left remaining, which is pretty cool. Go ahead and do that. So to change watch faces, you can, down here at the bottom, you see watch faces. Do that. You can go through the Galaxy Watch store. You've got different kinds of kind of classic, minimalistic, all that. It's pretty cool. And then you can also go to the actual store right here and look for more watch faces, which is pretty neat. I am excited about this watch. I can't wait to try some new watch faces. So yeah, that is a quick run through of the app itself. This watch is pretty neat. I can't wait to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this off. We'll have to either disconnect or I'll just turn it off. And I'll go ahead and put this watch, the Watch Active 2 on. It kind of acts like the Apple Watch where you have the buckle here and then you kind of slide it through the loop. So in that way it's not too, it doesn't stick out any, which is nice. The band is a very soft material. I like it a lot. And so yeah, here is the Active Watch, Samsung Active Watch right here. I don't have it completely set up yet. I've got to get all my notifications and everything like that put in, but I'm excited to try this watch out. It is smaller than I'm used to. However, again, I'm using it mainly for working out, for fitness, and so I don't want it to be huge. However, if I need to, I can use it for a night on the town if I want to, or something fancy. Just got to get a different watch strap. That is one thing that I don't like about this watch, is that yes, the smaller variant, the 40mm variant, has a 20mm watch strap, which is about normal for that size. However, for the 44mm watch, you would expect a 22mm watch band, which is the norm. However, it uses a 20mm watch band, just like the 40mm watch itself, which kind of stinks because now I've got to go out and get new bands. If I wanted to get like a metal or a leather one, you got to go out and get new bands and stuff like that. But these are removable, so they do have that quick removal tool like the Fossil Gen 5, like the other previous Samsung watches. They just have that little click on the back of the strap near the lugs that you can click in, and then they'll just come up, they'll open up, and the strap will be released. So it's just a quick release strap, which is nice. So any 20mm watch band for this and the 44mm watch itself, they use the same strap. But other than that, this watch is gonna be, I'm looking forward to using this watch. Again, I've got to figure out kind of the always on display and notifications and syncing it completely with my watch, with my phone, sorry. But other than that, I am super excited to try this out. So I'll be back with you guys in, let's say, about a month and a half, 2 months. Give me some time to work out with this. I've been doing some classes at Orange Theory Fitness. Actually, I think I have a class tomorrow at 9:15 in the morning. So I will be wearing this watch for that, to kind of keep track of my fitness, I know that at Orange Theory you do have a fitness tracker. However, this will let me track that and my activities throughout the day. So I will be having both, and I will be able to compare both that the Orange Theory tracker and this tracker to see which if this tracker is pretty accurate. So again, I'll be back in about 2 months with this watch to see how it holds up. Until then, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing and kind of first impressions and setup of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Again, I have the 40mm. It comes in a aqua black, some blue color, and I think a pink color. Right now, Best Buy has it on sale. The 40mm for $249.99. Normally it's like $279.99, and then I think the larger variant, the 44mm, right now is on sale for $269.99, but usually it's about $299. But anyways, if you want, you can go check those out. Great watches from what I've heard. I decided to finally get one. Kind of been on the fence, but anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Hopefully, I try to post once every 2 weeks, once every week. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll get back with you guys later. Peace.